Imagine uploading 10 to 15 minute animated videos on YouTube without ever touching animation software. Sounds impossible? It's not. Today, I'm revealing my complete AI automation workflow that creates long animated stories in bulk with consistent characters, cinematic scenes, and professional voiceover. This is not theory. This is a practical, automated system. If you want to start or scale your YouTube automation channel in 2026, you cannot afford to miss this. Before we move to the next step, let me tell you something important. If you want the exact master prompts I used in this video, I have shared them inside my WhatsApp community. Yes, completely free. Inside the community, I regularly upload powerful AI prompts, automation tools, workflow updates, and step-by-step guidance to help you grow your YouTube automation channel faster. You'll also get updates about new tools, bulk video methods, and hidden tricks that I don't always share publicly. If you're serious about building an automated YouTube income stream, this is where you need to be. Check the link in the description, join the WhatsApp community, and let's grow together. Let's begin. This is the master prompt for creating a long 3D animated story. Here, I said to create a 10 to 15 minute video, but you can increase the length of the video. Here are the requirements, which means how you want your animated movie to be. Then there is step 1, which is scene image prompt, story title, story, and main character for the story. And here is the best part. It will also provide you with the full story structure. Here are the scene-by-scene image prompts. Now step 2, which is the image to video prompt, and at the end, the character consistency rule. If we move to step 1, you can see story title. Earlier, I was searching for some kids' animated stories. Here you can see I asked ChatGPT for kids' animated story ideas, and it gave me 5 ideas. So let's pick the first one and create an animated video with it. I will copy the title and paste it here. Now copy the master prompt, paste it into ChatGPT and hit generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT will produce the complete animation package, including the story title, story description, and clear character descriptions. At the end, we have the image prompts. First, we need characters for our story. Now we will generate the character and scene images using Google Whisk. It's free, beginner-friendly, and one of the best tools for keeping your characters consistent across the entire animation. First, open a new tab and type Google Whisk AI. Click on the first link, then click on Enter Tools, and this type of interface will appear. First, choose the aspect ratio of 16:9 for a YouTube-style long video. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy your first character prompt. Paste it into Whisk's prompt box and click Generate. Within a few seconds, Whisk will create your first character in a polished, animation-ready look. Next, generate the second character. Return to ChatGPT and copy your second character prompt. Paste it into Whisk and click Generate again. Now you have a second character that matches the same 3D animated style. Here is an optional step. You can see the scene setting prompt, copy it and paste it into the Google Whisk prompt box. Download it as well. Now we have both character images and one scene image. Next, we will generate the scene images, so we will open Auto Whisk. I have uploaded many videos about it. You can watch them on my YouTube channel. I will also provide the link in the description. Now I want to generate all the scenes, so I will select version 7.6.0, then go back to ChatGPT, copy all the scene prompts, and paste them into the Auto Whisk prompt box. Select the aspect ratio 16:9, set the image count to default, click on reference image and upload the first character image and then the second character image. Give names to our characters as discussed in the story. The girl's name is Mila and the rabbit's name is Clover. In style, upload the image of your story style. Then click on Upload and Analyze. It will take about 10 to 15 seconds. After analyzing, you can see Auto Whisk provides detailed prompts for both characters. Now, click Done. As you can see, Auto Whisk automatically picks the prompts and separates them wherever a new paragraph begins. Simply click on Start. Now you don't have to do anything. Auto Whisk will handle the entire process for you. As you can see, Auto Whisk is downloading the images for you. Wait for the process to complete. Google Whisk is completely free. This is how you can create multiple images and then videos in a single day. This is automation. Everything runs on its own. After the download is complete, you will see that Auto Whisk has created a folder named Whisk Downloads. Open it and you'll see every image is 3D animated with perfect results and strong character consistency. You also don't need to arrange the images. Auto Whisk has already done that for you. Now it's time to bring these images to life. Once again, we need an automation tool that allows us to generate multiple videos without wasting time. For that, I am using Auto Meta. Open a new tab and type Auto Meta AI extension. Open the first link that appears, then click Add to Chrome. I already have it installed. Once it is successfully installed, pin it to the toolbar so we can easily start our bulk automation. This extension turns Meta AI into an automatic content engine that allows you to batch send prompts, saving time and effort. It eliminates the hassle of manually adding prompts and waiting hours for downloads. Now, this is the main interface of Auto Meta. You will see an option that says Go to Meta. This extension works alongside Meta, so we need to open Meta as well. Click here and you will directly land on the official website. Go back to ChatGPT and type Go Ahead. It will start generating the image to video prompts. Copy the prompts and go back to Meta AI. Paste all the prompts here. Select video to generate the videos. Then click on ADD Images. Upload all the images. In settings, you can see prompt delays. This determines how long the tool waits before sending the next prompt when running multiple prompts in a batch. For example, if the delay is set to 15 to 20 seconds, the tool sends one prompt, waits 15 to 20 seconds, and then sends the next one. So, the delay is simply the gap between each prompt in bulk generation. This is crucial during batch generation because it prevents errors and failed generations. I recommend setting it to at least 15 seconds. Don't make it too fast. Give the system enough time to process each prompt smoothly. Go back and click on Start. Now it is generating the videos automatically. Everything happening on the screen right now is completely automated. We just have to wait and watch the results. Check this out, guys. The generation is now complete, and this is the quality we have. You can see all the videos are generated in full HD quality. Notice how much time and effort this automation saves. After the download is complete, move to the next part, voiceover. So, I will go back to ChatGPT and type, now give me the voiceover for each of the 39 scenes. Every scene is 5 to 8 seconds long. Then hit enter. It will give us the voiceover. But there is one issue. So, I will type, don't mention scene or scene numbers in it. Now we have the complete voiceover script. Open a new tab and type Google AI Studio. Click on the first link. Select text-to-speech, single audio speaker, then select Enceladus for the voiceover. Type narration here. Then copy the complete voiceover script and paste it here. Click on Run. It will take some time and then your voiceover will be ready. Click on the 3 dots and download it. Now let's move to our last part, which is editing and combining all the scenes into one single frame. For editing, I am using CapCut. First, open CapCut, then import all the videos here and adjust them according to scene numbers. And then import voiceover. You can also add music, it's totally up to you. Then adjust video and audio together, synchronize them. You can also add transitions between them and generate the subtitle. After doing all the work, export the file and your final video is ready. If you have any questions about this masterclass, ask me in the comments and I will reply to each one of you. Like, subscribe and share this video with others as well. Thank you so much and good luck.